This tutorial will show you how to manage programs on your computer that run on startup so that your computer will boot faster. If you have many programs running on startup, then not only will your computer start slowly, but once your computer has actually loaded, all those programs that ran on startup will continue to run and take up memory, slowing down your computer. To manage your startup programs, first click on the Start menu and then click on the Run button. At the Run command line, type in msconfig and press Enter or OK. This will bring up the system configuration utility and allow us to manage our startup options. Make sure to have selective startup checked, and if you've never used the system configuration utility, you'll most likely have normal startup checked. So we want selective startup, and then go to the top and click on the Startup tab. As you can see, I have a list of startup items with check marks next to them. As we go down the list, there are startup programs that are not checked, which means that I do not want them to run on startup. If you do want to run these programs, then you must manually start them yourself, which I recommend. The more items that you have check marks next to, the longer amount of time your computer will take to boot. If you do not recognize a program by looking at the startup name, and a lot of these startup item names become vague, so you're not going to recognize it. A good example is QT Task, which is QuickTime Video Player. So I do not want QuickTime to run, so I don't check it. But if you don't know what QT Task is, you can type it in a search engine such as Google or Yahoo, and you'll be able to find exactly what it does. Once you have all the programs that you want off of startup, you can click OK. Then you can either exit without restart or restart your computer, but for the changes to take place, you will eventually have to restart your computer. But for now, I'm just going to say exit without restart. Once you've restarted your computer, you're going to get a pop-up box that says that you've used the system configuration utility to make changes to the way Windows starts. All you need to do is click on the box saying "Don't show this message" when Windows starts, and then press OK, and you'll be all done. See you next time.